Hey, Namaste, welcome to our channel Brief Knowledge. Today I am gonna show you how to log Facebook profile from any country. First of all, you need to open Facebook from Facebook Lite. Here you can see this account is not logged, and scroll down. You can see here language option. Scroll down, choose this language, then go to your profile. Just refresh it. After that, click on three dot and select second last option. Then click here. It shows some confirmation. Confirm it. After refreshing it, your account is totally locked, and you can also unlock your account from here. Click on unlock. Click on unlock your profile. Click on OK and refresh it.